Magento 2 call for price allows the store admin to replace the add to cart button on the storefront with a call for price message or custom text on the store front end. This ensures that customers can inquire about pricing directly and better handle pricing flexibility and negotiation. So, now let's quickly check the module functionalities. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. For this, the admin will navigate to the admin's side panel, call for cost, and then configuration, under which the admin can see the configuration page under the section General Configuration. The admin can enable or disable the call for price module, and we can see that the module has been enabled. Yes, and hide porter butter in the front end. The admin can hide the reorder button from the customer end, and it's already a yes unhide price in meta task, means that admin can hide the product price and category. Admin can select the product category to apply in this module. Here we have chosen the default category, and then button label enters the label for the custom button custom my groups. All groups not login general, wholesaler, retailer, and then pop-up content. Here we have added a customized text. Please contact us, and the number has been provided, and then we would be saving the configuration. We can see that the admin has already saved the configuration, and then we would be moving to the customer view. Here the customer front end part would be visible. Here the customer can see the products, and under the product there has been no price tag visible. And by clicking the Contact Us option, the customer would be getting a pop-up message that would be please contact us. And the number has been provided at the front end part. So now we would be moving to the admin end, and then would be hidden reorder button in the front end. We would be disabling to know so that we can see, and then would be going to system for catch management, and then we would be flush Magento to catch as so that it can run smoothly at the customer end as well. And the customer would be getting an option to log in with the credential. And under the My Orders section, the customer would be able to reorder the product which has recently purchased from the store. By clicking on this, the customer can proceed to checkout, and then by clicking on the shipment methods, placing an order, and then it's showing thank you for your purchase. So we can see that the customer can reorder from this by navigating into the My Orders section. And that's all about the feature and functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest content.